Let's review the BT CloudWork proposition. Before we do this, it's important that we understand the industry we're talking about, which is Unified Communications as a Service, or UCaaS. UCaaS refers to Unified Communications in the Cloud. Unlike legacy systems, customers don't require any on-premise PBX or PSTNs. Unlike hosted systems, true cloud architecture is faster, more scalable, and works over the top. According to Gartner, by 2021, 90% of IT leaders will not purchase any new premise-based UC infrastructure. So this product is relevant today more than ever. Also, given current events, remote working needs are ever increasing and necessary to keep employees at home safe, but still working. Let's dive in. So what is BT CloudWork? BT CloudWork is a cloud-optimized, mobile-first communications platform for voice, video meetings, messaging, presence, and team collaboration. BT CloudWork allows you to future-proof your business communications while maintaining tech stack freedom and reducing costs by an average of 42% if you're migrating from a legacy on-premise system. There's a few pillars to the proposition that are displayed here, and we'll go into in more detail. What I think you should know is BT CloudWork is easy to use, easy to buy, and easy to manage. Cloud optimized. What does that mean? So BT CloudWork was born in the cloud and built for the cloud. You get exactly what you need, taking into consideration your size, your location, your devices, and your budget as a customer, in an all-in-one solution. When we say it's cloud optimized, it means that the true cloud architecture is faster and more scalable. You can add users in minutes and delete them in minutes. You only pay for what you use as well. A mobile-first platform. What does that mean? Mobile-first is different than mobile-friendly. Mobile-friendly was built for a desktop or a larger experience and then scaled down to the mobile experience. Mobile-first was built for the mobile experience first and then scaled out to the larger assets. With the rapid adoption of smartphones, and that being actually the most popular way for buying and searching for content, and high customer expectations on responsiveness, we feel it's really important to be mobile first and not just mobile friendly. So what does this mean for our customers? It means enhanced business agility. They can scale up or down their users as they need and only pay for what they're using. They can also meet their customer communication demands and responsiveness expectations. BT CloudWork is scalable, fast to activate, easy to use. Future-proof your communication stack. Scalable. As mentioned before, it's really easy to add and remove users in minutes. It's really fast to activate. You can be up and running within a week. And it's really easy to use. Our user interface, especially the admin interface, is something that customers notably like about the product. When we say future-proof your communication stacks, we mean that through pre-built integrations. There's over 100 out-of-box, no coding needed pre-built integrations for you, modern apps, and 4 releases a year. What that means is every 12 weeks, we are updating the app with the latest technology upgrades, with enhancements, fixing bugs. So effectively, the worst version of the product you're going to buy is the version you buy today, because it's always updating and always making sure that it's competitive and keeping you competitive. You can minimize your business risk and protect your network by accessing cloud applications more securely through BT's network security. Also, RingCentral, the backbone vendor of this product, has 7 layers of application security built in. So what does this mean for our customers? They can stay current with UC technology always. This is huge. They'll never deal with an end-of-life situation again or end of maintenance, because we're constantly updating the application to make sure it's relevant today. They can avoid bad investment decisions, and also they can keep their data safe and have easy-to-use tools that increase employee output. BT CloudWork also allows you to maintain the freedom to customize your tech stack through powerful integrations. I mentioned this before, that we have over 100 and always growing out-of-box integrations. You effectively plug and play them, and you can embed calling inside Office 365, Google, G Suite, Salesforce, most of the Microsoft suite, you name it, we likely have an integration for it. So this increases your agility of moving between your mission critical apps. Your employees have a lot of tools that they work with to get their work done. So connecting your communications platform into all of those tools is critical for a productive day. And you can maintain your tech stack freedom by choosing BT Cloudwork. We believe that your companies are unique, and you guys should be deciding what your mission critical apps are, and they don't necessarily all have to come from one vendor. So that's why we have such an open platform where we're constantly growing our integrations to make sure that whatever technology you choose to support your business, we will be able to support that integration. So cost effective, BT Cloudwork is very cost effective for customers, especially if they're moving from an on-premise system. We found in a study that was actually conducted by Forrester Total Economic Impact Study, customers were saving an average of 42% when they migrated from on-premise to a RingCentral Cloud product, which is what BT Cloudwork is. So there's a lot of cloud-based cost savings involved with pure cloud products. And a lot of that has to do with also moving from a CapEx to OpEx model allocation. So it also allows for effective cash management and rapid expansion or modification of your payments versus traditional network solution. You also only pay for what you need with BT Cloudwork. You can scale up and down every week and every month the amount of users you have. So if you have seasonal business, that can be accounted for in your cost structure as well. So this is huge for customers, the cost savings that they realize, and especially moving from a CapEx to OpEx model, it just gives them more flexibility with their cash flow. So they don't overpay for licenses they don't need, and it's just simple and easy. And the last pillar of this proposition is, the BT part of it, which is migrating with confidence with a brand like BT. BT has a strong bench of tech talent who have been doing digital transformation projects for enterprises for years. And they are very, very good at this. So they will take you from end to end, from assessment to onboarding, including 3 one-to-one customer onboarding sessions that they'll do just for your company. There's also a plethora of knowledge articles and videos and a library of content to continue your onboarding after that. But yeah, this is we take the migration into our hands, and we are your red carpet to cloud. So, the professional services aspect of this, what does this save for our customers? The cost and time of project managers to produce the business reviews, the network assessments, the process workflows, the cost and time of hiring tech contractors to actually implement the new cloud contact communication system into your environment, the cost and time of quality assurance analysts overseeing user acceptance training and go live support, the cost of maintenance resources to continue to manage this. BT will take this on for you. So, when you're looking at, if you're on an on-premise system, or if your customer is on an on-premise system, you'll notice that they may have some of these components listed here on the left, and they may be paying different vendors for them. So they may have them and they'll be paying quite a high price to different vendors for them. And some of these they won't have, but they will need today. These are all critical in a business environment today. What's great about BT Cloudwork is that it's a leading unified communications as a service system. It's all in one, it's carrier grade voice, it's BT secure. So for one price, you're paying a price per user per month. You will get all of this included and more with updates every 12 weeks and it fully integrates into all your other mission critical applications. When talking about, the competitive landscape, there's a few different kinds of competitors here. There's, what customers are usually on, which is on-premise. There's the hosted cloud, and then there's other clouds, which is, more pure cloud players, just like BT Cloudwork. In terms of, the legacy on-premise systems, why is BT Cloud work better? You don't have to worry about PBXs or PRIs. We're certainly more scalable than these solutions. We're less expensive, typically 30 to 40% less expensive, easier maintenance. We're not just basic voice. There's team collaboration, instant messaging, presence. There's so many features in the product that you can't even say that it's a direct competitor anymore. And there's online management of everything. You can add users on your mobile. You can manage the whole platform from your mobile if you're an IT admin. When you're looking versus hosted PBX or hosted cloud, why is BT Cloud Work a better choice? It's much faster deployment because it's pure cloud and you effectively do everything online. It's simple multi-location management. You can do instant moves, adds and changes as mentioned. There's many more integrations and open APIs. As I mentioned, over 100 constantly growing integrations into your mission critical apps. And it's collaboration first and mobile first. So a lot of these hosted cloud don't have things like team messaging or team collaboration, which BT Cloud Work will have included. Versus, the pure cloud players, why is BT Cloud Work the best pure cloud UCaaS system you can have? You're working with BT, which is a company that is reliable, secure, has a huge bench of talent that can help you on your red carpet to cloud. The quality, the reliability, this network security that BT can offer, and the integration into your mobile devices, into your broadband, that's only something that BT can provide. And oftentimes we do actually have more integrations than a lot of the other pure cloud providers when you compare us like for like. That's it. Thanks for joining.